Never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than never lose God. Jesus,
everybody, jare. Hey, everybody, jare. Everybody, jare. Everybody, jare.
Guy, make I tell you the secret of as a business. Keep your hands clean. Are you getting me? You know they chop people money. Any transaction, collect your own, give them their own. You see people like us waiting for this business. That's the secret of the business. Don't cheat anybody. You know they die people money. You know what I'm saying? So you have nothing to worry about. I'll send you a percentage. Do the work. Make I receive a lot first. Everywhere good. People know me. I know they chop people money. Once you drop now, send me sleep for WhatsApp. I'll deal with you. India, be everywhere good. What do you mean this? Who the block? See you. Come on, that nonsense, my boy.
Hey, what did you come for here? Come on, step back.
Ochi Edanga.
Hey, step back.
My local old friend.
Ozumba.
How far now?
Now me, you do this thing to me. Ozumba, moi. Me and you agree on something. We arrange something, finish. You enter Las Gidi, you forget me. Money show, you sideline me, you block me for everywhere, Ozumba. Now me, you do this thing. I find you go Lagos, I don't see you, Ozumba.
Madam, shut up. Lagos is too big. You can't just come into Lagos and find people like me. Huh? What will happen? You my old local friend and so. You know the system level don't change. Now white I they wear now, including boxers. See my car now white, my house now white. So no they shout from my head.
You know what, I don't get time for plenty talk. Give me the date, my bounce. Fast!
No be only date, in a 30 December. Plus, okay, you never change. Every time you go dress like man. See your boot. The only thing will go make me press you 100K Nana because of old time's sake, as my old party, might do you 100K, may you calm down.
Me 100K? Oh, you say you the mad though. From 500 million naira to 100K. Oh, so now because of 100K, now I suffer all this when I suffer for you. My papa mud because of you. My papa bye. So after everything I went through, this is how you want to pay me back. You were not bought you. They deported from Dubai. Nobody sent you. Everybody rejected you. I accepted you. I gave you life. I sacrificed my strength. Made sure you have wealth, money, everything. I don't even care whether my papa die or anybody die. Now me, they do this thing to me, Ozumba.
You don't think finish. Women, once they cook one pot of Indomie like this, support your life when you struggle. The next thing, after all I did for you, I sacrificed for you. What did you do where person never do before? Eh? You kill yourself for me? What did you do where we never see? You do this, you do that.
Ozumba, not forget say when God send devil come vacation on earth. You know the movie Power. Okay. I did dangerous so. I go buy you. You won't die young, Abi.
Do I look afraid? Do I look afraid?
Give me the date now.
No, 30 December.
You're mad. Come on, give me the date.
30 December.
Give me date fast. You them mad. I go blast you for here.
Get luck, say I no get money. If not before I go just nod you.
Not me.
You get luck, say I don't package.
Not me now.
If say I don't guide now. If not before I go just nod you. Just you dey behave like man. And this thing make me know if you marry you. I don't go marry my fellow man. You just calm down, behave like woman. May we see where we go touch now. No, carry freak, idiot.
Give me the date.
Come on for here.
1, 2, I go.
No, they waste people bullet now. You think I go come like that, today like that? No, they do all this ones. You don't pass this level. Come on for here.
Okay, don't go do Odeshi. Don't cook yourself, Abi.
No, I go come empty-handed because I no get sense before.
Fear my return.
You no get return. You no go even return. Come on for here.
My return go bad, Ozumba.
I said,
my return go bad. I go do you something, go see am. Your mind go dead. God go punish you. Father fire you. You go die young, you go see am.
Wadia Chelum. Chelum. Local bushmeat. Wadia Chelum.
Hey, my return go bad.
My brethren, as you can see, life is very simple. It is better to go to the place of mourning than to go to the place of feasting. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. Now everything on earth has time, and there is season for everything. There is time to die, there is time of crying, and there is time of laughing, and time to reap. There's time to give birth.
Ozumba. What be you be this? I tell you, say I go come for you. You not ask question. I know well, oh. You the owe Caesar. The Bible says, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. You want chop your own, chop my own. You not corner, no, you not pure, you not stew. Guy, where my percentage? Where my papa Ogugu? Fall it out now, otherwise it go be for you.
Shut up, you are a baby Caesar. I know they read the Bible. What gave you the guts to step into this place and disrupt my father's funeral? Now take these urchins and leave this vicinity, else you will experience spiritual casualties.
You know, give me the deity.
If I do and make a bend, you will never see it again.
You know, give me the deity.
I say, come on for here.
Leave! If you bury your papa, ma die. Yeah. Girls, take the casket now! Move the casket!
Try am now. You don't know where you enter.
Ah! Give me the head! Quickly! Move the casket! Now! Quickly! Move it! Come for here! Man! I said come for here! Come on for here! Oh God, you're in disgrace! I tell you, see, make you fear my return. You say I dey cap nonsense. Wetin dey saw now?
They play, they show.
Hello. How are you?
Fine, I was wondering what is holding you upstairs.
I was getting ready. Adeze, hurry up, we're almost late. How is everything?
Fine, my dear.
Hello, Zumba. How? Oh. What? No! This is sacrilegious. This is unbelievable. It's totally unacceptable. Yes, we don't see back coming. It's okay. Just hold on, I'll call you back.
Your Majesty.
No.
What is this? What is it? You sounded so... Eh?
Ozumba just called me. Says Zitere stormed the venue of his father's burial, shot some people, and went away with their corpse.
Hey! Alo! Alo, this is sacrilege. Never had in the history of our community. Anywhere. This is too bad.
Father!
Hey!
What is this I'm hearing? That Jesus stormed my man's father's funeral and took the corpse away? This is total madness! This is totally unacceptable! I will not accept this, Father! Never! Oh, can you imagine?
What is it?
How dare she?
Adobe.
What the hell?
Adobe, come back here! Come back here, where are you going to?
Hi! Your Majesty, this is no joke at all. We must reason over this.
What are we going to do?
Officers, this is a house. Zite! Zite, come out here! Come out! Officers, that's her. That's the lady that disrupted my man's father's funeral. That's the lady that does not want to give my man peace in this kingdom. You think you're trending now, right? You think you're untouchable. But I will tell you that I am Princess Camilla. My father ruled this kingdom. My father is your king! You lunatic!
Where you? For your life. For your miserable life. No come a lunatic again, you dey mad. Even your papa when be king of Amako kingdom, no fit arrest me. Nobody fit arrest me. I big pass this entire kingdom. You dey see Shiran, you won't enter with your two left leg. Bomb dey your skull. You won't collect? Go try am again, oh. Now chief priest compound, now you dey so. You won't vanish? You won't disappear into thin air? Anyways, officers, a small girl, I go forgive her. She don't know what she dey do. Where you? Go back, go tell the person when send you come say, you have failed woefully. Now maybe the head of vigilante. You dey feel me? Officers, I beg. Oh, now they go. Tell your boss, say I go show later.
What?
Officer, let's go.
Officers, where are you going? Arrest this girl and her bandits! With her useless girls! Arrest them to the side! Where are you going to, officers? I'm talking, you are going! Arrest! You guys are leaving! Okay! No problem? You think you're untouchable, right? I will show you. I will tell you that I am Princess Camilla. My father rules this kingdom. My father is your king. I will let you know that my father rules this kingdom. What problem?
This is black life. Never lose God. Jesus,
Father, is she above the law? No, tell me, what gave her the guts to do what she did? Who the hell is this idiot? Talk to me!
Chizitera is the daughter of our late high priest. She is from noble family.
A noble family? No, what is noble about her? Tell me, what is noble about that idiot? That idiot that went to my man's father's funeral and made away with the corpse. How dare she? Who the hell is she to do that? Tell me, who the hell is she to make away with my fiance's father's corpse? Who the hell is she? What gave her the guts to do that? I will not take this from anybody. I will not take this from this kingdom. I will tell her that I am Princess Camilla. My father ruled this kingdom.
Enough of this. Enough! I called you back. I asked you not to leave this place. You went. Now what have you achieved? You are here ranting. Enough of this nonsense.
Father, I am ranting.
My princess. Just calm down. You are just a fiancé to Uzumba. Yes, you are not yet his wife. So you have to understand it. The fight belongs to him. It is his fight. Let him fight it. Huh?
No! I will not take this from anybody! This is my man we are talking about! I will not take this! I will make sure I fight with my last blood! I will fight with my man! This battle has just begun!
She is crying more than the bereaved. I am telling you. And she has crossed the boundaries.
She's only a fiancé. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
What is happening? What is going on here? Oh no! The abominable has happened. Zite stormed that burial with her girls. Oh no! They nearly finished everybody in that burial.
Oh no! This is a taboo. This is an abomination. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! I saw death flash through my eyes today. I saw death, real death. Are you telling me that the burial have dressed up, ready to attend, has been disrupted?
Completely, oh no. These guests invaded us and opened fire on every one of us. As a matter of fact, oh no, we thank the gods that we were able to escape their attacks.
This is... Oh no. In fact, I will never attend any funeral again or any function. It's okay. It's okay, chill there. Because you were attacking, not that. What kind of talk is that? I'm telling you. This is unacceptable. This is not happening. No problem. People can go home. Let me discuss with Uzumba.
Oh
no. You can go home. Believe you me, never again in my life. I will never over my death. This is unacceptable. I take any
Babe, I am talking to you. Babe, what is going on? Babe, I am talking to you. Babe, why are you keeping me in the dark? What do you have with this girl? And why did she seize your late father's dead body? What business do both of you have? Babe, is there anything I need to know? Is there anything you're not telling me? Babe, talk to me. I don't like the fact that you're keeping me silent. It's killing me.
It comes to a point in a man's life where all he needs is space and time to think. I think I'm in that frame now. I need space. Just go back to your kingdom. I will call you when necessary.
I should go back to my kingdom and leave you to fight alone? Hell no. I would do no such thing.
It's not a talking fight, my love. Leave. I will call you when necessary, okay?
Babe, I'm not going anywhere.
So just go. I need space.
Babe, this is our battle. This is our fight. I am going to fight this fight with you. Who is she? I will stand with you, baby. I am here for you, my love. You can fight this fight alone.
Listen, I appreciate your zeal, okay? But like I said, it's not a talking fight. Go back to your kingdom. I will call you when I need you.
Babe.
You know wine? Who goes? Oga, see, make I clear you. You know if you cross here, oh. I tell you, you know if you cross here, oh. See me, I play when I small, I don't want to play pang again. If you cross here, you go collect.
Who be that move where they show himself when they get levels? They crazy. I say, Matam!
Where you? Go come, mama, come. You come your cover, you there show. You come here, they raise our bar again. Go look me well, oh.
He who wants to dance Surugede must know that Surugede is a dance of the spirits. Any bird can fly as high as possible, but ego remains the king of birds. I am the king of this game. So don't play it with me.
Uzumba, you dey forget many things, so. Na me be the Surugede. Na me be the spirits. Na me be the dance. The earth is my resting place.
I will forgive you for disrupting my father's funeral, just for old time's sake. Let me have his corpse in peace to avoid spiritual casualties.
You know, say I be your ex-girlfriend. You know, say I gather voltage. You know, say they pull weights. You suppose know, say by now, my yes na my yes and my no na my no. Where is my father's deity? I don't need your fucking money. Fuck that shit!
The deity is far gone. Bringing it back is impossible.
Then your papa corpse is impossible too.
Abu Modogu and Kami Felege Modogu. If you can name, you cannot disgrace me like that. For the last time, let me have my father's corpse to avoid spiritual casualties.
My papa mods because of what me and you do. I buried that man like a poor, dirty shit. But you know the good thing? He get grave. But your papa no go fit ever get grave. You know why? I go burn the corpse to ashes. Your papa corpse go miss.
You lie, here no be India. You no fit try and they never burn you well. For the last time, don't touch the lion's tail because you won't like its reaction.
You did dare me, Abi. I know well, oh, go ask question. I say your papa corpse go miss. I go burn am to ash. Don't say you go fit do. I no fit, Abi. I no fit, Abi. I no fit. For the jazz when I do for you, for your mind, you get jazz, Abi. You go out join the jazz when I put for your body back then. You no fit buy me, oh. No, you no fit. I fear no man. I dey wait for you. Come collect your papa cost, make I see.
Never lose God, never lose God. Jesus, terrible. Okay, more than never lose God.
This is arrogant nonsense. This is not acceptable. Your late father was an Iche in this kingdom, a noble man, a man of timber and caliber of this kingdom. Ozumba, we demand to know what is going on. Who is that young lady that came here to disrupt your late father's burial? What does she want? We have made effort to contact the commissioner of police and you're asking us to calm down? Why?
Everything but the police, calm down.
This is crazy. Honestly, this is crazy. Ozumba, where is our brother's corpse? You like it or not, you must bury your father today. We want the corpse. Since you know the young girl, settle her. Let us have the corpse of our late brother, your father. Is that too much to demand?
Why are you crying more than the bereaved? Is it your father's corpse?
He is my brother, our brother.
It is my father's corpse. I should be more worried, not you.
Ozumba, rumor has it that the lady used to be your girlfriend, or what you call it, I don't know. To crown it all, you want to marry a princess of her kingdom. And that is why she came in, shooting at everybody, and made away with your father's dead body. Please tell us what we need to know. Tell us, please.
Thank God you started your conversation with rumor has it. Rumor has it, so it's invalid. Next.
Zumba, what are you talking? Say something reasonable. This is not about you. It's about our late brother's corpse. Yeah. He must be buried today.
I need space and time to figure things out. Please.
Space. You need space. Uzumba. Some group of bandit girls came here, shooting at everybody. We barely left here with our lives. They even carted away with your father's corpse, and you're here telling us to give you space. What space do you need?
Uzumba, go and settle whatever you have with that young lady and bring back your father's corpse. If you don't do that, this kingdom will reject you.
Wow. And that is it. So shall it be.
On my capacity as the honorable of this kingdom, we cannot give you any title, and you can never be our king.
Is that a threat? Oh no, you are threatening me. You know what? You all should leave this vicinity. I need space.
Ozumba, you have not said anything. You need to tell us what we need to know.
Well, the police cannot force words from a man like me. Talk more of you. You want me to start talking when I don't want to talk? I said I need space and time. I'm not in the mood of talking. Am I a baby? Excuse me if I change here.
You are sending us out of your palace?
Oga, you white and red as ever, Paul.
Hey, Abashakwe Gonanu. No, I am not okay. Let's go. You are busy us.
No.
No problem.
I need space. Things out.
Abashakwe Gonanu. Let's go. Abashakwe Gonanu. Let's go.
You white and red now again.
It's like him. talk to me, I'm listening. This
is very wrong. And we must do something very fast.
He has 72 hours to provide the cops. Yes.
And why didn't he invite the police on this matter? Why?
And we can't tell what his next action will be.
I don't care to know what his next line of action will be. My own is that he must provide the cops. He must provide the cops and he must bury his father.
Bam.
If not, no kingship for him. Imagine, we're about to make him the first king of our kingdom now that we have autonomy. This is what we get. Yeah, this is what we get. As a matter of fact, I'm highly disappointed.
Disappointed? Oh, so we have guests who are bandits. I can't believe what I saw that day. I can't believe.
Then what are we waiting for? Now we have to go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yes. But he must provide the cost.
Yes, sir.
He must.
It's a must.
Omo. Mama no tell us say the man na say na strong man. Omo, if not be say mama show dead body for surplus everywhere.
My guy. What be small thing I see today, oh? No be small thing I see today, oh. Before my eye like this, I open eye see Oga dey vanish. This guy dey vanish. Bullet na water for him body. What?
Omo, I just dey spray groundnut like this. Everywhere first snow. I gas disembark, oh.
See, ma tell you. As you don't be. You don't say you don't be. We guys dey very vigilant, very careful. Because this dude, he go come back, he go show and everyone go just bust.
Don't worry. Me, I mount guard. Me, poison. Someone no be sick, oh.
You go just poison him.
I go poison the airway in the breathe. Make him poop body. Make poop body if they burn and well.
Make I jot am down. I see him.
Don't jot am, Abi. He clear.
He should be. But you know what thing dey vex me pass? You see that dude, na mama ex-boyfriend. Now wetin I dey tell you. And that one, na dey vex me, dey reach blood. E reach my marrow, e dey vex me everywhere.
Dude na bastard betrayer na. After everything wey he do, mama. After everything, he still show. Oga. He won't come marry princess, come be king. I mean, who they give her mind, sir? Jot am down. Who they give her mind?
Goleta, ma jot am down.
Who give her mind?
Issue.
You don't be. I want to make you involve men. Involve real men. I don't need Mugu for this cartel. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Guy, calm down now. No be so. This deal now, I got sort many people before it go work. I go pay many people before this deal go work out. Not be only you go collect money for this matter. Don't be greedy. Collect 700k. It's good. Guy, you do okay now. Now 700k be your own cut. Leave it like that. Deal? Buy our deal.
How much are we talking about here?
500 million. My contact say once you bring Ogugumo deity, you go pay us 500 million naira cash. And baby, imagine what that money can do for us. Our love don't soft with that. So we need that deity badly.
So make I convince my papa, make he give me the Ogugumo.
Clean your future on again. Why you go there pattern now? If you tell your pops make him give you that deity, you don't cast the job. Your pops will carry the update to move. You no go even steal it. That's the whole idea. That's stealing for love, because imagine waiting 500 mil go do for us. You know my priority number one. I won't love you. I won't change your life. Just picture. Me and you, white duplex, white, Rolls Royce, everywhere, money day, they know they take light for the house. That's the life I want to give you. So steal it. It's for us. Move am, no tell your papa, just move am. Me go sell am, me and you will now proceed. That's the whole idea. I beg.
Ozumba! I don't carry the thing come on.
I know say you must deliver. Thank you very much. Wow.
Confirm, man.
Mogwe.
Ikpo.
Hey! Isialosi. Thank you very much. Okay, let me proceed now. Once I collect the money, I will update you, okay?
I don't understand. Which one be you want proceed? No be the arrangement be this now. Me and you agree say we go enter Lasgidi together, go meet the white man. Which one be you want enter leave me?
No, we don't need to go together. Check the transport now and the risk where they involve. Make I go. Once I collect the money, I come back for you now. I got you.
Ozumba, you don't do one car, you don't act funny. No be arrangement with this. So see, based on say huge money they involved, now make me arrange this thing. On a normal, you know, say I know carry this you come out from that place. What in the saw now?
We are still together now. You not trust me again. I'm your baby. Okay, check them. What if the Oyibo get hidden agenda? They will get another plan. If me and you enter now, they will catch two of us. They don't finish us. Make one person go in case they get there. I go there, call you. You go come fight for me. You don't understand? Two people cannot.
I don't understand, Zumba. I don't feel understand. You don't forget say plenty jazz in my body. My papa na chief priest now. Nobody feel pious. I never born the person where go pious.
Machine gun, no, the one will be juju. Bomb. Ojo forget na bro make about to bomb. Make we see, baby. Come on, let me go. Once I get the money from the white man, I will come back for you. I got you now. You know my love. Where I want wrong go? Don't worry.
See, I go calm down based on saying now you say because you be my man. If not, I'm not supposed to lose guard this thing. No, you know pure now. You know pure.
Makachuku, I got you. I'm coming. Okay, come on, come here. I love you. Okay.
Say this in better money,
I be mumu.
You wire my money give me.
Once I collect, I dey come. Not be wire. We are together. I go come, baby. Love you. Okay.
Love you too.
Don't fuck me up. Are they Chris? Fuck you up. Me and who go there?
Take care.
I love you.
You say now you wire the money now.
Once I collect money, I go call you.
Bye bye.
The peace bye bye, my baby.
Ozumba, you're a shameless man. You're a shameless nephew you have. Where is your brother's corpse? Where is my brother's corpse you took away? Where is it? Ha! Ozumba.
Woman, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Don't tell me to keep quiet. He knows what happened to his father's corpse. He knows it. Yes, that thing you saw was just a stunt. A stunt makeover to confuse people. I traveled all the way from Enugu for my brother's funeral, only to receive rumor that the corpse is nowhere to be found. Ozumba knows. You know what happened to my brother's corpse. You're a ritualist. This is how they dress. Yes, to confuse people. This is their pattern. You think I don't know?
Woman, enough. Enough of this nonsense. This is not why we are here.
Never. Ngozi can never
allow the young man to breathe. Allow him to think, please.
Never. I will not allow him to breathe until he provides my brother's corpse. No wonder.
Please.
Is there any other thing why we are here, if not this funeral? We are here to tackle about my brother's funeral. Corpse that is missing. Ozumba knows about it. Ozumba, I'm talking at your pressing phone. Give this phone and answer me. Answer me. Provide my brother's corpse. So, provide, I will not sleep. Ozumba, you forgot that I'm an assistant ESP of police command. You think I will deal with you? I will fight with you with all my last strength.
Please. I'm sorry for what your sister is doing. What she is saying here is nonsense. I know you did not kill your father. I know you did not kill your father.
You will see.
I'm sorry for all this. What your sister is talking is nonsense. I know you did not kill your father. I know you. But Uzumba, tell me the truth. What happened? What really happened?
Nayagumba, abomination has happened today. How can you be here? This is happening in this kingdom. What has not happened before? My brother's corpse is missing. My only brother, my own brother, Uzumba hid his father's corpse for me not to see. I have not seen my brother's corpse. If Uzumba does not produce my brother's corpse, I swear I'll kill him.
Ngosika, Biko, calm down. Biko.
I have my gun in the car. If Uzumba does not produce that corpse, I will kill him. Mba. Oh no, I'm not leaving any stone unturned this time around. I am not. Uzumba must produce a corpse. Or show me my brother's corpse. I want to see him.
Biko, we know your capacity, Biko. Biko, I'm assuring you that we're already doing something about this matter. We will settle it. Calm down.
Hi, what are the youths of this kingdom? What are the youths of this land and the Uzumba did this? Nobody could say anything. You elders, how can you be at home and the God delivers in theater? Is it done?
Look, just as I said, we have already given him 72 hours to make sure he provides that corpse.
Ma'am, let that 72 hours be 72 hours.
The daughter of the great Akalaka, the high chief of Amako Kingdom.
Yes. She invaded here, killed some people, and took my father's corpse away. She even tried to kill me, but I stood my ground. Not how we are now.
Wait. Why? What does she have to do with you and your father's corpse? Or are you owing her money?
No.
Even if you are owing her money, she's not supposed to take such action, to come to a funeral and take away the corpse, and the lives are lying down here. And we need to involve the police and hunt her down. Lives are gone here. People traveled from far and near for this funeral, and this kind of chaos happened. Oh my God.
The police are involved already. I'm handling it.
Well, you should have involved your sister, my wife now. Didn't you call her?
Someone that calls me a ritualist on a daily basis. At every slightest provocation, she calls me a ritualist. How do you expect me to run to such character? If not for this funeral, she wouldn't have been around. So please, leave her out of this. I will handle this my way.
But you know, the way you made your money very fast is really questionable. And I will not really blame her. And this kind of thing will bring a bad reputation to this family. People traveled from far and near for this funeral, and this kind of thing happened. This kind of chaos happened. Oh my God.
When I was poor, no one questioned my source of poverty. Now I made money and you're telling me that the way I made money is questionable. Are you trying to join your wife in calling me a ritualist?
Look, what I'm saying...
Don't say that. Come out plain.
What I'm saying is that we really need to do something fast. We really need to do something.
The police are on it. Simple.
See, as I told you, we're already doing something. We have given Uzumba 72 hours to make sure he provides that corpse.
Ma'am, let that 72 hours be 72 hours. Otherwise, no kingship coronation. Nobody will crown him.
Exactly.
I am here. I will make sure Uzumba is not crowned anything.
See,
how can he rule? How can you, a murderer, rule?
Ngosika, don't worry yourself. Don't bother yourself. We're already doing something. Just as both traditionally, physical and spiritually. Don't bother yourself. We will resolve this matter.
Hey. Uzumba will receive it hot from me. He will. As I was coming, I called the commissioner of police. I told him, if Uzumba does not produce that corpse, I will get him arrested. And I will do it. Because I'm not leaving any stone unturned. I will make sure I do it.
Ngosika, today is the most shocking day of my life. I have never seen a thing like this. This kind of thing has never happened in this kingdom. Never.
How can it happen? It's an insult to the entire village. It's an insult to my own family. My family? Hey! My brother's corpse is missing just like that? Huh? Ozumba! That boy, if I catch him!
It's okay, Biko. We'll resolve it. He must provide that corpse. He must. I assure you.
Ex-girlfriend father. You people are not saying what I need to know. What I need to hear. This is beyond ex-girlfriend father. Father, she came to this palace. She threatened you and told the police people that she is going to report herself. Up till now, she moves as if she is the owner of this kingdom. Father, I want to ask you, who is this girl? Who is this bastard of a girl that is raining calamity and war in your land? And I want to ask, who licensed her guns? Who?
Camilla, you must realize that you are not married to Zumba yet. Therefore, you must not overcross boundaries. You must not cry more than the bereaved. You mustn't cross bounds.
Father, I will fight for my man. I will fight for him. I will stand with my man in any situation. I will defend him and I will go all out for him. Uzumba is going to be the first autonomous king in his kingdom in no time. And I will be his queen. Father, and you dare say to me that I should not go beyond my bounds? No way. I will go all out for him. I will go extremely out for my man.
Like I said before, it's not about speaking grammar. Let me warn you. You have to be very, very careful. Need I say that again? You must be very, very careful, Camilla.
Father, I am disappointed. Yes, I am disappointed. This same girl issued ban on my man. Father, you did not utter a word. You did not do anything about it. That is to expressly show how weak you have become. Yes, but there's no problem. I, Princess Camilla, will handle her. I will definitely put her in a proper check. I will do that. No days and no peace. You have failed this kingdom as a king. And you have failed me as your daughter. I am highly disappointed, Father. Excuse me.
Yes, it's on the internet. She has beaten more than she can chew. Trust me, I will deal with her my way. The police are involved, yes, but I will still deal with her my way. No problem.
Officers, this is the man that killed his father and made away with his corpse.
What? Mr. Ozumba, you are under arrest for the murder of your own father, Okonkwo. You have every right to remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Please, officers, please, you need to calm down. This is a family issue. Please, let me speak with my wife. Please. Woman, calm down.
It's enough. Enough.
Why don't you listen to me as your husband?
Ozumba, you're under arrest. Get up and follow them. You think I'm joking? You think this is that era I used to buy you candy and chocolate? No, this is a different ball game. I'm an officer of the law.
Why do you want to shoot your brother? And why do you want to arrest your only surviving family?
Stay out of this. Stay away from this. Stay out of this. This is my family problem and not yours. I have told you and I'm warning you for the last time to stay out of this. Please do not interfere anymore, except you want to be arrested with them. Get up. Uzumba, get up and follow them. I am not joking. You think I'm joking? No more with you.
The only reason I'm letting this slide, it's because you are my auntie. If not, I for treat you as I did treat outsiders.
Move.
He is not going anywhere.
Who said so?
What is even wrong with you?
Stay out of this. I have told you.
Where are you going to?
Where do you think you're going? I'm telling you to move there. Where do you think you're going? Don't play with me. You think I'm joking with you? Hello. Abomination. Who must have done this to our land? The face of the oracle is missing. The face is missing. This is unbelievable. Shocking.
You have to assist my daughter to find a solution to this problem. Otherwise, the kingdom will suffer.
Guy, make I tell you the secret of our business. Keep your hands clean. Are you getting me? You know they chop people money. Any transaction, collect your own, give them their own. You see people like us waiting for this business. That's the secret of the business. Don't cheat anybody. You know they die people money. You know what I'm saying? So you have nothing to worry about. I'll send you a percentage. Do the work. Make I receive a lot first. Everywhere good. People know me. I know they chop people money. Yeah, once you drop now, send me sleep for WhatsApp. I'll deal with you. India be everywhere good. What do you mean this? Who the block road? See you. Come on, that nonsense, my boy.
Hey! What did you come for here? Come on, step back.
Ochie Danga.
Hey! Step back.
My local old friend.
Ozumba.
How far now?
Now me you do this thing to me. Ozumba, moi. Me and you agree on something. We arrange something, finish. You enter Las Gidi, you forget me. Money show, you sideline me, you block me for everywhere, Ozumba. Now me you do this thing. I find you go Lagos, I don't see you, Ozumba.
Madam, shut up. Lagos is too big. You can't just come into Lagos and find people like me. Huh? What will happen? You my old local friend and so. You know the sister level don't change. Now white I they wear now, including boxers. See my car now white, my house now white. So no they shout for my head.
You know what, I don't get time for plenty talk. Give me the date, my bounce. Fast!
No be only date, in a 30 December. Plus, okay, you never change. Every time you go dress like man. See your boot. The only thing we're gonna make me press you 100K Nana because of old time's sake, as my old party, might do you 100K, may you calm down.
Me 100K? It be like say you dey mad though. From 500 million naira to 100K. Oh, so now because of 100K, now I suffer all this when I suffer for you. My papa mad because of you. My papa buy. So after everything I went through, this is how you want to pay me back. You were not bought you. They deported from Dubai. Nobody sent you. Everybody rejected you. I accepted you. I gave you life. I sacrificed my strength. Made sure you have wealth, money, everything. I don't even care whether my papa die or anybody die. Now me, they do this thing to me, Ozumba.
You don't think finish. Women, once they cook one pot of indomie like this, support your life when you dey struggle. The next thing, after all I did for you, I sacrificed for you. What thing you do where person never do before? Eh? You kill yourself for me? What thing you do where we never see? You do this, you do that.
Ozumba, not forget say when God send devil come vacation on earth, you know the movie Power. Okay. I did dangerous so. I go buy you. You won't die young, Abi.
Do I look afraid? Do I look afraid?
Give me the date now.
No, 30 December.
You're mad. Come on, give me the date.
30 December.
Give me date fast. You then mad. I go blast you for here.
Get luck say I no get money. If not before I go just nod you.
Not me.
You get luck say I don't package.
Not me now.
If say I don't guide now. If not before I go just nod you. Just you behave like man. And this thing make me know if you marry you. I no go marry my fellow man. You just calm down, behave like woman. May we see where we go touch now. No, carry freak, idiot.
Give me the date.
Come on for here.
1, 2, I go.
No, the West people bullet now. You think that I go come like that, today like that? No, they do all this ones. You don't pass this level. Come on for here.
Okay, don't go do Odeshi. Don't cook yourself, Abi.
No, I go come empty-handed because I no get sense before.
Fear my return.
You don't get return. You don't go even return. Come out for here.
My return go bad, Ozumba.
I said
my return go bad. I go do you something, Osiam. Your mind go dead. God will punish you. God will fire you. You will die young, Osiam.
Wadiachelum. Wadiachelum. Local bushmeat. Wadiachelum.
Hey, my return go bad.
Mama, you correct die. You dey think am twice. See my reason you, Mama. Anything where you decide to do, or anything at all, where you decide say you won't do, you correct die. But as it be so, we go first rebel. And we go start with the king. We need to rebel against the king. You see that old man? That old man don't like you at all. He go want set trap for you, and if time is not taken, that trap go catch you.
Why you talk like that?
Mama, you don't forget say na daughter they involved. Na precious daughter they involved now. He go want fight to protect his daughter.
I don't care.
Ha! Mama say you no care. Like say I no say you no care. Mama, me I no say you no care. And that one na because you no say nobody fit do you anything. But at the same time, Mama, we need to hold ground though. We need to mount guard. May they not take us on our way. Now it's how they tell you so. You don't need to worry me a day. Anyhow, they want that, Mama. Me poison. Someone no be sick. I gum. Mama, I gum your back like this. I know they shift. Me a day with you. Anyhow you want them. Just pass order. Ah.
Is that everything they discussed that they not discussed before?
Not good.
But sometimes there's some days are like that.
But let's go.
Ozumba. I don't carry the thing come on.
I don't say you must deliver. Thank you very much. Wow.
Confirm.
Mogwe.
Ikpo.
Hey. Isi Alusi. Thank you very much. Eh? Okay, let me proceed now. Once I collect the money, I will update you, okay?
I don't understand. Which one be you want proceed? No be the arrangement be this now. Me and you agree say we go enter Las Gidi together, go meet the white man. Which one be you want enter leave me?
No, nah. We don't need to go together. Check the transport now and the risk where they involve. Make I go. Once I collect the money, I come back for you now. I got you.
Ozumba, you don't dey do one car, you don't dey act funny. No be arrangement be this. So see, based on say huge money they involve, now it made me arrange this thing. No. On a normal, you know, say I know carry this, you come out from that place. What in they saw now?
We are still together now. You don't trust me again. I'm your baby. Okay, check them. What if the Oyibo get hidden agenda? They will get another plan. If me and you enter now, they will catch two of us. They don't finish us. Make one person go in case they get there. I go there, I call you. You go come fight for me. You don't understand? Two people cannot.
I don't understand, Zumba. I don't feel understand. Don't forget say plenty jazz dey my body. My papa na chief priest now. Nobody fit kpai us. I never born the person where go kpai us.
Machine gun no the one wey be juju. Bomb Ojofoga na bro make about to bomb. Make we see baby come on. Let me go. Once I get the money from the white man, I will come back for you. I got you now. You know my love. Where I want wrong go? Don't worry.
See, I go calm down based on saying you say because you be my man. If not, I'm not supposed to lose guard this thing. No, you know pure now. You know pure.
Makachuku, I got you. I'm coming. Okay, come on, come here. I love you. Okay.
Sell this in better money, oh.
I be mumu.
You wire my money give me.
Once I collect, I dey come. No be wire. We are together. I go come, baby. Love you. Okay.
Love you too.
Don't fuck me up. Are they Chris? Fuck you up, me and who go there?
Take care.
I love you.
You said that you wire the money now.
Once I collect money, I go call you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, my baby.
Hey, Ozumba, no do me this thing. No do me this thing. You no go good. You tell me say you dey enter Las Gidi, go meet one Oyibo man wey go buy the ogogo. Now you know they pick my call. If I call him, you know they pick. You know they even they call me back. I'm not hearing from him at all. Hey, he tell me say he go sell the ogogo for big money. He go use and flex me. He go use and change my life. Ogogo I no see, money I no see. The Ozumba himself I no see. Sure say this man never play me wayo.
He no tell you whether he go pass there, go another place. He no tell.
No, he tell me say they enter Las Gidi. Say they go meet Oyibo man wey go buy the ogogo for big money. That's what he told me, and I don't understand what they stop again.
Boy, which kind of thing be this now? Person no supposed to trust these men, no. Mama.
Yes, I don't fall.
I swear.
What be this now?
Mama, this fight a fight to finish, so. You see this fight? If we start am, we no go end until we finish am. Now wetin me I won't promise you be that. You see me? Poison. Someone no be sick. Mama, me I gum oh. I gum for your corner like this till the end. We go give am to him. We go give am to this guy. Anyhow way you want and that's how we go come. And they promise you, I need a joke. You dey hear?
I want the face of Ogugu or nothing.
I know say na the face of Ogugu na him be the problem. Even though me I know say he don't sell her. He don't sell that face. He don't use am. He don't use am take enrich himself. Still get some drug connections join. Come dey form big boy. Now he making the raise shoulder. I know say he don't sell her now. But we go still hold her down. Mama, no worry, we go hold her down. My boy they shake like this self. Because they no fit run you streets like that. You know my mama, oh, you don't dey. You dey here, just pass order.
The young man did not kill his father for money ritual.
Wise one. I wanted to find out if he was telling us the truth.
How the water got into the coconut is never a mystery to the sacred ones. He is telling you people the truth. He did not kill his father. Though he has an altar, a strong one at that. A powerful deity is backing him up. But he's telling you people the truth.
The truth? That a lady invaded my brother's funeral and made away with his corpse. Is that the truth?
Yes. From what I can see, he had a deal with this young lady and he betrayed her. And that is where the water got into the coconut. That is the cause of the problem.
A deal? What kind of deal could that be?
Go and ask him, for the gods have spoken.
You see, I told you to calm down. He explained everything to me.
Where is he?
He should be inside.
Because we need to meet with the lady. Let him calm down and explain everything to me. Let's dialogue over it.
Well, I think he wants to handle it his own way.
How? Handle it in his own way? That means there will be no burial. Is that what you're telling me?
Look, the most important thing is to retrieve the dead body intact. And the burial can be rescheduled for another day. Yes.
This is unbelievable. Why sophisticating the dead body of my brother? Instead of dialoguing. Who is she? She must be a strong lady to have made away the dead body and the casket without fear.
Igwe, my passion is to protect this kingdom. I know so many years ago I fuck up, but I don't deserve my punishment. Igwe, as I did like this, I go sink this kingdom permanently. If I don't set my eyes on Uzumba, or if I hear say you carry your daughter, give her, this go spoil, it go be.
You are not above me in this king. I'm still the Igwe of this great kingdom. I have called you several times for a peaceful dialogue. Tell me, what does this young man actually owe you? Tell me, I will pay. I will clear it all. You are threatening the peace you promised to bring and to protect in this land, even with the last drop of your blood. What is the problem?
Don't need your money. Just tell Uzumba, don't leave the king.
I am ready to fight this war. I must take back what belonged to me. You betrayed me, I go give you war.
Your Highness, forget about Zite, okay? She's just a baby girl. And you know baby girls are used to dramatizing. She's just a baby girl dramatizing. She's no rich.
I just hope and believe you know what you are talking about. Because you just came back from abroad. That girl, you should know the daughter of who she is. That girl can rain calamity as rain in any community. That is why I'm concerned about this whole thing. What business did you do with that young lady? That you betrayed her? That's making her so angry. I can feel the anger from her soul. Not just the issue of being an heiress here.
Angry exes. Iwe, look at me. Look at me very well. Do I look afraid? That her father is a native doctor does not mean we should be afraid of her. No. Do you understand? Forget about that girl. I'm focusing on giving my late father a befitting burial. As we speak, I've ordered for 40-feet container of crystal champagne with another 40-feet container of Louis XIII. So this is what I'm talking about. After the burial, I will come and marry your daughter. After marrying your daughter, both of us will jet out to Mexico for honeymoon. Then when I'm back from honeymoon, I will do few charity program like empower people with keke and water. After that, I will now come and visit her topic. I will now tell you what happened between us, okay? She's not that important. We can't be discussing her for over 1 minute. No, you will. Forget, in fact, freeze that matter.
Zumba, I want you to protect yourself. I want you to be protected. I do not want any harm to befall you.
Ọkụkọ ahụ ha ji nwe eji m nne. Ọ chọọ ịgba na-agba, ọ chọọ ọgwụ na-agwọ. Forget about her. Meanwhile, my people are planning to crown me king. Very soon I will become the king of my people.
Congratulations in advance.
You've been talking too much. Let me press you 5 million just for this conversation.
Father, this is really funny. It's really funny that a girl you made a vigilante in your own kingdom has turned out to be a case in your life. A nightmare, a sleepless night. Can you imagine that? She even opened her mouth and said that she will not allow me to marry the man I want. The man whom I found worthy to take me as his queen. Father, and you are there. You did nothing, absolutely nothing about it. I don't understand. What kind of flagrant, audacious audacity is that? This is crazy. Even the police did nothing, absolutely nothing about it. And you kept mute. This is not making sense anymore. Who is this lady? Who is she?
Camilla, shut up. I am thinking. Allow me to think.
Thinking? Father, do you know that my man is about to lose his kingship? If he doesn't return his late father's body in 72 hours, his kingdom, his kinsmen will reject him. And you know what that means, Father. You know what that means to me. Do you want me to lose my man? Who the hell is this lady? Who is she to make rules in your own kingdom?
I have told you to allow me to think. Allow me to think through this daily man so that I found a way out of it. Now, if you don't shut up, I think it's about time I throw you back to London where you stay with the mother. Now get out of my room. Arrant nonsense.
Fine. But father, I don't want to lose my man. I don't want to lose him.
What nonsense. You think it's all by shooting? Oh, gods of our land. There must be a way out of this. I must do something fast. I must eliminate that girl of whatever she calls herself. I'm very fast too. Yes.
Hey! What did you come for here? Who gave you the permission to enter into my shrine, Ozumba? Eh? Who gave you the permission to enter into my cabin?
Listen, if handshake pass here, don't they turn another thing. Enough of this madness. This is what you gave me. Can I have my father's corpse?
See, the mistake where you make, now to free me the first time. You dey feel me? Which kind of rubbish be this? Which kind of fake ogugu be this? You go carry this nonsense dirty or you go buy them online?
Now what do you give me with this? Now try them now, you don't get power.
This is not what I gave to you, my friend. Take this nonsense out of this place, now!
I say confirm them now. Now, not the power for me. Now what do you give me with this? Check out with your juju now.
So I don't get eyes, Abi.
Confirm my first, now just talk. Listen, no be me if your papa. End this madness and give me my late father's corpse to avoid spiritual calamity.
What do you mean no be you poof my papa? Not be waiting me and you do, now I kill my papa. You don't get respect for the dead, Abi. Take this from this place, now!
I repeat, let me have my father's corpse to avoid spiritual casualties.
Oga, you no go like what I go do if you not carry this rubbish from this place. Oga, take this thing from here. Nonsense.
Don't start what you can't finish. Drop that thing, you're mad. Don't start what you can't finish. Don't start what you can't finish.
Take this thing from here. Take it away.
Don't start what you can't finish. Let's go.
Ozumba, did you use this play? Remove this rubbish from this place. Take it away. Throw it. Fling it away.
Great Oganga. Great Oganga. Great Oganga. Waiting the song. Why are you quiet? A whole me could not bury my father. That boy came and disgraced me before my guests. Oh. No. If he came there. You assured me that I am beyond human destruction, that whoever dares me will fall. Why then are you silent? Rise! Rise and fight her! I need to bury my father.
I'm burning this corpse. I'm setting it ablaze. Give me lighter. Stop! Stop!
You them whine. So if I leave you, you go set my papa corpse ablaze. You're very, very stupid. Huh? You can't joke with this now. My papa corpse now won't burn.
a resurrection party. What is so? Waiting the soul. Wait. Come on. Hold on. I'm coming.
Oga cops, you go calm down, oh. What's this?
Who is doing this? Who is stepping on the tail of the tigress? Who entered my cabin? Show your face! Show your face! Now!
When next you see me, fucking lower your weapons. It's a spiritual battle, not physical. No, not how we are.
So you enter my cabin, Abi? You mount my girl, you know the fear?
I dream where you born my popsy cops, you don't understand? And I know what make it happen for real life, so I beg, make we end this madness. I'm here to press you 100 meters. They can go arrange yourself. Give me this man, go back.
I don't need your fucking 100 million. Take your dirty money away. Ma clear you. But you dream small compared to what I go do your papa cops. Your papa cops go miss. I know they follow you play. Oh, we are my papa deity.
They calm down. You're my ex now. They calm down now. They calm down now. See, that deity don't go far.
You say?
The deity don't go far. It's impossible talking about bringing it back. You know the like first truth?
I swear on that journey, if that deity not fall out, your papa cops go miss forever. And then they follow you play, oh.
So you not get calendar for here. Today na the second day where my papa cops they day under your hostage. Make you know reach the 7. I command the man.
If you reach the 7, waiting go sup. No, I ask you, what's he gonna call? Nothing you go fit do. The cops go miss. You dey hear me?
Mark your calendar. Make you know reach the 7.
You no go fit do anything, Oga. The cops go miss. It must miss. Give me the deity. I dey mad though. You go see madness, Ozumba. Don't try me, oh.
Millie. Mama, it's a sub now. Why you go follow our babe like that? I think say you run us protection. You run us streets.
She go knock. She not supposed to knock any man till after the mission is ended. This is a warning to all of you. Anybody where knock go mods. Now they hear me? Keep your pekus. No knocking.
Dead body don't surplus.
Never lose God. Jesus, okay, more never lose God. Jesus, okay, more never lose God. Jesus, okay, more
Yes, hello, Zete. Zete, listen to me. I am still your king, the Igwe of this great kingdom. Therefore, you must do as I have said. Yes, I want to have this whole case settled amicably. Therefore, listen to me, I'm talking to you. I want both of you to be in my palace tomorrow morning. Let's find a way out of this debacle. Yes. I don't know what the value people have done, but come to the palace tomorrow, he will be here, so that this whole matter can be resolved once and for all. Okay. Yes. No problem. Thank you. Good night. What a stubborn child.
My princess, you must understand that there's a situation on ground. I want you to listen carefully. I want you to know that there's a situation on ground. That's why your father, the king, is doing all within his reach to make sure that he brings them together for a final reconciliation.
Uncle, you're not getting the point. Do you? You're not getting it. I am saying, who is this lady? Who is she to stand tall over my man? Who is she? It seems she's more popular and fearless and powerful. To the extent that my father is cold about the whole situation.
My princess, I want you to also listen carefully like I'm saying this. Chizitere is actually the daughter of our late Eye of the Gods, our late chief priest. And her lineage is actually respected in our kingdom. They command such respect that all of us reverence them.
Even my father?
Yes, your father. Chizitere is also his subject. So, they are respected in our kingdom. And as things stands now, anything that happens in between, people will see it as weakness from the side of our king, your father. Calm down, just calm down. Everything will be resolved. You know, the king is working hard, like I said. Soon it will be resolved. You know, Mom. Oh, my princess of hope. Oh, calm down.
Never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than
Jesus, terrible. Put you on up together. I dare them together. Better than you did good. Man, I have better than catch you, man. Give me the good. Oh, yeah, my cow of Funanya. Jesus, terrible.
What will you be this? I never catch you.
What is happening here?
You must be very stupid to think I don't have audition.
Zitiri, put down this gun. I said, put down the gun. I said, put it down, you're in my palace.
If I put this gun down, Mark Beth.
How?
If I put this gun down, make this ground open, swallow me.
I'm talking to you.
Ozumba, you know what to do before you see your father's corpse. I'm not come here to settle any issue with you. I'm not in for that.
See, you gotta calm down. No. A vigilante you be, no be FBI. What did they walk you now?
I will strip you of your job as the leader of the Black Lion female guards. Enough of this nonsense. In my own palace. In my presence.
I don't care.
Hey! Hello! Chizitere! The worst has happened.
What did happen?
The worst has happened.
What happened?
The face of Ogogo is missing. The oracle is missing. Hey!
Papa, what is it? Papa! 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 Somebody help me! Papa! Papa! Chimo! Chimo! Papa! Papa! No! I find everywhere, I don't see Ozumba. Ozumba, if I catch you. Hey. Now me, you want job. Me. You no go fit happen.
Chizitere, this death came for you. But you are my daughter. You are my precious daughter. But I've taken the bullet for you. You are safe. I know you have a hand in the stealing of Ogogo. Please, make sure you return it back to my shrine. Else, you will die.
It's time to become the vigilante head. It's either I do my father's last wish or we die. All of us go die.
You have 3 days. After 3 days, if I don't see my papa corpse, Maba, you will have spiritual casualties.
You gotta go. Shut up! Small boy. Ozumba, you feel say your head strong, Abi? If I don't see my papa deity, I swear to God, I go burn your papa corpse to ashes.
Bonner boy.
Igwe, I think say this man, this Anumpama, get the deity and make I come here. Deity. So you not get the deity. This meeting is useless. What did they do for here? Oga, form my papa deity out, otherwise it go be for you. You dey feel me? Man, see the deity, otherwise it go be for you.
I am ready to fight this war. I must take back what belongs to me.
Mugu, ngwelelele.
Hey, Dada.
Come on, why?
Get out!
Zumba, what is happening? I don't understand.
Nothing. Angry exes everywhere. Once you level up like this, you go be like this, you won't die. Angry exes upon. You go, don't worry, I brought you some classic wine, eh? Hey, get those wine for you. It's because I dumped her. You know women and drama.
Father, what is this? What is freaking going on? This is getting too much for me. Who the hell is this girl? Who the hell is she to walk out from you like that? What gods?
Oh no. I think it's hard time I dealt with this Zitere. This insult indeed is getting out of hand.
Your Majesty, listen to me. You know that as the king of this kingdom, you are also an ambassador of the gods. Calm down. You shall act, but we'll reason it together.
Don't tell me to calm down. I have been calming down all this while, and things are getting worse. Even by the day. I can't take this anymore.
I insist. Calm down.
Father, you know what this means to me, right? You know they will not crown him king if he doesn't bury his father.
Yes.
Father, do something about this. You're just being quiet about the whole situation. You're not even doing anything.
Ada, you don't give me orders. I'm still the king of this kingdom. I said I will act. And that's final.
That's okay. Your Majesty, I want you to know very well that it is not our duty to make sure that Uzumba buries his father. He is not yet our in-law. You must not commit sacrilege because of this matter. Uzumba is not yet our in-law. He's just a fiancé to the princess. I know that she's not happy, but that will not make you to jump the gun. Please, calm down. Let's listen to the gods
for wisdom.
I know you are right. Thank you so much.
Ngozika, your nephew will not be our king. He must come here and explain to us where his father's corpse is.
Yes, we are not giving him that 72 hours. Yes, we are becoming impatient. He must come here. Let him come, or we will take a drastic measure, a drastic action on him.
See, we can do away with him in this community if he did not bring back his father's corpse with immediate effect.
My elders, please, you people have to calm down. I have come to the terms that it's not entirely my nephew's fault. Please, you people should not deprive him of this kinship. Bikuno.
Ngosika, it is the duty of the king to defend and protect his people. Is it not so? If this kind of incident will happen to Uzumba, our king to be, what is the guarantee that he can protect us? So, we've actually lost confidence in him. First and foremost, let him bring his father's corpse first. Then we can talk about the kingship later.
Avoid whatever that will bring war between you and my daughter.
Not for the war. We can never fight. We are like...
I am saying this because you ooze. You stink betrayal. You smell desperation for money. Yes, dirty money. You are destined to be great. You see, but the problem I have with you is that you are very, very impatient. Yes, you are impatient. But one thing is certain, my son. If you pick up a fight with my daughter, you cannot win her. Yes, you cannot defeat my daughter. So I admonish you, do not open the door for a fight between yourself and my daughter.
Have you forgotten we grew up like this? Me and her. We are like this, 5 and 6 the length for where we did. We know if we quarrel, we know if we fight.
Uzumba. You only know how to tell your past and your now, not tomorrow. We are human beings. I want you to pray not to get into such temptation because you won't like it.
I've heard this, sir.
She gave you her father's shrine, isn't it? The face of Ogugu made you wealthy. Uzumba, do not underestimate what I can do. I'm ready for the war.
I shall fight this fight with you. This is our fight. And don't think of talking me out of this, because it's not going to work. This is our fight.
You are hereby stripped of your job in my kingdom. Return the guns with you, or you face my wrath.
Chizitere, this is unlike you.
Igwe, I go do am, but you go hear this cause.
Now listen to me. If you cause any mayhem in this community, you will face my wrath And you will not be happy what will happen to you. Now, leave my palace! Nonsense. Oh no. Don't be bothered about just what happened. Now listen. I want you to call Ogidi, the great and the strong herbalist. I want to see him in my palace this evening.
Don't.
You must not fear.
Don't.
Come on, Megula. Come on, Megula. Come on, Megula. Kalama Egola fortify you. No wind can blow you off. No water can swing you away. Kamala Egola is behind you.
You bring her alive! Where are you going to? This way! Go in there! Bring her dead body if she's alive or not, I don't give a fuck! I want her alive or dead! Bring her here! I want to see her alive or dead! I will deal with her today! Bring her here!
You can run, but you cannot hide.
Sapele water, no be ordinary water.
Because I hold that girl now. That girl, the
Mama, why are you there now?
Come on, move. Move this way, we shall have it. Come on, are you? Come on, that's what I'll say so. Come on, move, I'll say so. You get clear. Come on, send me the casket.
My girls. My girls!
Question! What do you mean the house is empty? Remain no casket! Are you stupid? Why are you here with me? Get out! Ah! Let's go! Let's go! I must get her today! If you like, run! Sit and I will show you who I am!
Go down!
Fool. It was nice doing business with you. One night, fear this motherfucker.
Yeah. Of course. Move that casket!
For you! Talk to me! We are poison! We are Eve! Put them there! Snow! Snow! Eve! Why is it? What did you come my girls? Poison! Eve! Eve! Oh my girls, what did you call for here? Poison! Eve! Poison! Poison, talk to me now. Who run us this thing? Who run you this thing? No, Ozumba, I've been a king. Talk to me. I dare here for you. Who do you this thing, Poison? Eh? Ozumba, boys. Poison, don't leave me. Poison, don't leave me. Poison, there for me now. There for me. No die, I beg. Poison, Poison! No! 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 No!
Where is my father's corpse?
Boss, we couldn't find the corpse.
Meaning?
Boss, Zita played us. We got there, we couldn't find the corpse, but we got our girls down.
You know it's totally unacceptable when it comes to me. You got her girls down. Who gives a fuck about her girls? I want my father's corpse. Do you understand?
Father, the casket was empty. The casket was completely empty. These people played us. They played everyone.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh no. Zumba attacked her guests and killed every one of them.
I don't care. I don't care. The casket was empty. It was completely empty, Father. It was freaking empty. You need to do something about it. You need to do something, Father. You cannot be quiet for so long. Do something about this. You need to arrest those bastards.
Zita is a very stubborn girl.
I know my king.
Who the hell is this girl? Who the hell is she? Is she above the law? Or is she above the king of this kingdom?
Lizzy, stop, young lady. How dare you talk before the king like that? Do you understand the implication of your action? This is our reverend king. Eh? He's the kind of king that we are proud of. He's not a weakling. One more insult from you to the king. You'll be stripped of all your rights and privileges as the princess of this kingdom. Do you know the implication?
Tell your king to do the right thing. Tell him to do the right thing. Tell my father to do the right thing.
Go back to your chambers! Your Majesty, please don't mind her. Remember, she's right, somehow. But her reaction is wrong. She's only but a child. Talk about it.
I don't know. What do we do about all this now?
$1 million question. We'll come back to it. Let her go.
We must do something. This is madness.
That girl has made away with our late brother's corpse.
Yes. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do? This is the time to stand up and take actions. Yes.
What a show of shame. A show of mess. I know she tricked the men. Yes, she tricked them.
This is unbelievable. And it's unacceptable. See, we must do something about this. And we are going to do it very, very fast.
Now go back there. Don't return until you have my father's corpse. Go, go, go.
Ozumba, you no fear. You get mind. You kill my girls. Abi? You kill my papa. Seize your gugu. Sell am. My percentage you no give me. You still get mind by my girls. You dey mad? Tell you they find me, I don't come. Kill me.
I told you to release my father's corpse to avoid spiritual casualties. But you wouldn't listen. See those your girls. This is just the beginning. next will be you.
You want to go?
Show your face! You see that your papa cops, you don't go see him again. If you see him, I'll die! Show your face! Don't be a coward! Come out and fight me! You have been looking for me. I am here now! Come and face me!
Great Oganga! What's going on? You're no longer active. What's going on?
Ngozi, what happened to you? Oh my God. Ngozi, what happened to you? What is it? Oh my God. Ngozi, who did this to you? Hey, Ngozi, please wait. Wait, let me call the doctor. Wait. Hey, Ngozi, baby. Hello, doctor. Doctor, please, where are you now? Please, there is a serious issue where I am now. There is a serious emergency. Yes, please, can you come to the address I will send to you now? Please, please. Okay, thank you, doctor. Thank you. Hey, Ngozi, please come down. I've just called the doctor. Ngozi, please. Ewo, Ngozi, Ewo Chimo, Ngozi, who did this to you, Ngozi? Hey, wait, will you take water, Ngozi? Let me get you water.
Your Majesty, walk I can't get you. It is said, that which a hen will be chasing under the rain must be very dear to that hen. We have come all the way from our kingdom to present this matter officially before you. After our investigation, we discovered that the young lady that invaded our hometown and made away with our brother's corpse is your subject. And we are here to appeal to you to call her to order, to return our brother's corpse. Your Majesty, he was not just our brother. He was an Ichie, and you know what that means. So we are appealing to you, please.
Yes, Your Majesty. We are here to solicit with you so that you call this young girl to order so that our brother's corpse will be returned to us. Biko.
Your Majesty, we have come this far because this matter is of a great importance that needs urgent attention. So we are appealing to you to please attend to it so that this matter can be urgently resolved. Thank you.
My elders, you are welcome again to my palace.
No.
Thank you.
When we heard of this sacrilegious act, so perpetrated by one of my subjects, we were indeed very perturbed. And we did not just close our doors or went back to our beds to sleep. We have been on the matter. The Onowu and the elders of my kingdom has done so much to making sure that this whole matter is resolved. And if everything we have done had yielded yet, you wouldn't have been here at all.
Oh, yes.
But let me assure you, Onowu, take my word to your people that very soon your brother's corpse will be returned to you so that he will be given a very befitting burial.
Mmụọ na mmadụ nwe agha mana mmadụ ga-emeri mmụọ. She betrayed her father by giving the image of Ogwuisimuo, the sacred deity, to her lover, to sell to the Europeans. In return, he betrayed her. As if that was not enough, he came for your daughter's hand in marriage. She is fighting a just fight. She is fulfilling her father's wish to return the Ogwuisimuo to its position. And if nothing is happened, she will kill your proposed son-in-law. Yes.
Dibia, what do we do then?
Iwe, there is nothing we can do than to eliminate her. Silence her!
Father, I leave you with this. If she ever succeeds in harming my fiancé, I will never forgive you. I will curse your grave.
Adeze, enough of this nonsense. Adeze, need I remind you that I'm still your father? The great Igwe Okakan of this kingdom. Enough of this nonsense. You don't talk to me like that. Now sit down if you must talk to me. I said sit down. Nonsense.
Father, that girl has spiritually broken my man's wrist. That girl has finally broken my fiancé's wrist. Any more attempts, Father? Any more attempts? You will regret the day you give birth to me. Excuse me.
Zitere. You will hear from his son. Gods of our land. Ha! So Zitere killed her father. Oh, that is the secret they have kept from everybody. That is an heinous crime. So this is the secret. What an heinous act. Sacrilege of the highest order. No wonder they have refused to listen to voice of reasoning. Even when I personally intervened in the matter. Oh, how am I going to face my in-law now? I need to do something. Yes, I need to eliminate this Zitty of a girl. Now, and fast too. Otherwise, my daughter will hate me forever. My daughter will never have anything to want to do with me. Oh.
Your Highness, you must sacrifice the blood of virgins. 2 virgins must be sacrificed to neutralize our powers.
2 virgins? Why?
Your Majesty, if you can pay the money, I will send my boys to bring the virgins to my shrine. They know their ways.
All right, Dibia. I'll send my guards to you. Thank you.
Any change?
It's not working. The spirits of the father. He wants the image.
I've sold the image. I sold it to Europeans. I can't retrieve it. Elege bune elege.
If we must get rid of her, there must be a strong sacrifice.
I know.
3 virgins. Send your men to go get them. There is no time. I shall survive.
Virgins will be difficult to get. There is no virgins around here.
No.
What's the second option?
You have to strive. Go get it. Oh, go get it.
Don't you get it? I said I've sold it. I can't retrieve it. That's the money I'm balling on. Telling me to return it or retrieve it is like telling me to go back to square one. I don't know how to calm down.
Don't kill me. Don't, please. Please, I'm not a party to those who sold you, please. Please. Please.
Please. No. Please.
Are you okay?
My father. Something attacked my father in my dream. My father.
No!
Oh, my love. I hope you are feeling better now. My love. My love. Hey, my love! Oh my goodness. Who did this to you? Babe, my love. Please don't do this to me. Hey, my love. Oh my goodness. Ngozi, my wife. Ngozi, my wife is there. Hey, I want you, Ngozi. My love, my wife is there. No. This can't be happening. Ngozi! Whatever that happens to you should come and carry me. Whatever that happens to you should come and carry me.
Is she okay? She's still alive. What's going on?
My wife is there. Ngozi, I want you, but you did not listen.
It's okay.
Hey, God. Can I make me know? I won't have what you did not listen. No, Ngozi, please don't do this. Ngozi, wake up. Ngozi.
I am ready to fight this war.
Please.
I must take back what belonged to me. You betrayed me. I go give you war. I go give you training. I go give you wala. You can never rest on my kitala mwebune. Otobone achieve you won. Achieve you won. No going back. Anyhow you want this fight. Otobone chara. No going back. No going back at all. Otobone chara. No going back. Marijuana dia choguma. Otobone chara.
Never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than never lose God. Jesus, okay, more than never lose God.
I'm on a Jareto.
Jesus,
Everybody Jare. Hey, everybody Jare. Hey, everybody Jare. Everybody Jare. Jareto. 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 Everybody
Mama, you correct, die. You dey think and twice. See my reason you, Mama. Anything where you decide to do, or anything at all, where you decide say you won't do, you correct, die. But as it be so, we go first rebel. And we go start with the king. We need to rebel against the king. You see that old man? That old man don't like you at all. He go want set trap for you, and if time is not taken, that trap go catch you.
Why you talk like that?
Mama, you don't forget say na him daughter dey involved. Na him precious daughter dey involved na. He go want fight to protect him daughter.
I don't care.
Ha! Mama say you no care. Like say I no know say you no care. Mama, me I know say you no care. And that one na because you know say nobody fit do you anything. But at the same time, Mama, we need to hold ground though. We need to mount guard. May they not take us on our way. Now it's how they tell you so. You don't need to worry me a day. Anyhow they want them, Mama. Me poison. Someone no be sick. I gum. Mama, I gum your back like this. I know they shift. Me a day with you anyhow you want them. Just pass order. If. What is it? Hey, what is it? Talk to me now. Who run us this thing? Who run you this thing?
I am ready to fight this war. I must take back what belonged to me. You betrayed me, I go give you war. I go give you betrayed me, I go give you wala. You can never restore my
Igwe, hello. Igwe, hello, eme. Kosisi ana.
Our great hero has fallen at this prime of his age. How do we handle this matter?
Umanu kwekwe we ha majigbo eka. Umanu kwekwe we ha vujigbo ọnụ. Ya. Ewe ya. Yadiba. Igwe Kaka. You have joined your ancestors. It is the way of all mortals. Yadiba.
I've joined his ancestors. Thus?
No! Father! Daddy! Father!
No! Father, please wake up! Don't do this to me, I beg you. Please wake up. Father, please wake up. Please wake up.
Our princess, is all right.
Please wake up. Don't do this to me. I beg of you, wake up.
It's okay, princess.
Princess, is all right.
Wake up!
Stop crying. Eh?
Dibia. No.
No. Should I proceed with the sacrifice?
What sacrifice are you talking about? Are you talking about the same sacrifice to eliminate Chizitere?
Yes or no? Before the person of our Igwe, he asked me to provide the virgins, and they are ready now.
Dibia, I am not interested in this matter, Dibia, until you tell me what happened to my brother, the king. A man that was healthy and hearty just went to bed to sleep, and from there he passed on. I had expected you to approach me and tell me that this is what killed my brother. Instead, you are still forwarding the fact concerning Chizitere.
What do I do with the virgins?
Release them. Let them go. Let them go back to their various homes. No more sacrifice in this kingdom for now. I am mourning my brother. I am in pain. Dibia, if there must be any sacrifice again, let it be a sacrifice that will provide solution to what killed my brother. Otherwise, no more sacrifice. Allow the virgins to go. What is the essence of this sacrifice he's talking about? When my brother is no more. Eh? When my brother is no more. My brother that was very healthy and hearty, suddenly he died. You are here talking about sacrifice. What sacrifice again? What is the value? What is the need of the sacrifice when my brother just slept and died like that? Okay. Keep on sacrifice until what? Maybe I can as well die. And you are still sacrificing. Let the virgins go back. Let the gods fight for themselves.
Hey, keep pushing away from me. Oh no, run fast out. Hey, run fast, oh no. She's not coming, wait.
You're not waiting for anybody. Let's go. That girl is unpredictable. We can't wait. Personally, I'm not waiting. You want to come?
Wait. Oh no, faster, please. Hey, wait for me,
Oh no. We saw the casket inside the compound. We also saw the dreaded young lady. She came out with a machete. We have to run for our dear lives.
What? You mean you saw the casket?
Yes.
Sit down. Princess Camilla, sit down.
Uncle.
I said sit down.
Do what he said. Sit down.
My fellow elders, as you can see, and you know already, we are in mourning mood. We are mourning our king. As it is now, we cannot proceed with anything concerning your own case now. We have more than enough in our hands. We are mourning our king. So I advise you go home and sort yourselves and handle your own case, because we are backing off now until we are done with this period. Please.
Yes. Yes.
Uncle, how can you say such a thing? How can you say that? Uzumba is about to be crowned king, and I am going to be his queen. Without a proper burial of his father, without that, the ambition will not be achieved.
It's okay, young lady. I want you to understand, number one, that you are not yet married to Uzumba. Yes. Therefore, they are not our in-laws now. You only had proposal with him, just between both of you. As far as I'm concerned, it is true that your father is no more.
the king. But I am his brother.
Uncle, you are the second in command. You are the honorable, the traditional prime minister of this kingdom. You need to call the police to arrest her. You need to send the youths to go get her. This is unbelievable. This is unacceptable. It's not making sense anymore, Uncle.
I thank the gods you already know my portfolio and what I stand for as the traditional prime minister of this kingdom. I hereby declare my verdict in this matter. Oh no, my elders, as the traditional prime minister of this kingdom, this is my verdict. You people should go. Shut yourselves, face your case, and handle it while we are allowed to mourn our king, who just mysteriously died.
Yes, that is the way it is. Let the head that carries ant-infested firewood continue to carry it. It will not be on our own heads. And that is period.
It's okay. We have heard what you said. Kaina. Oh yeah.
Are you well,
Sit our princess down and talk some sense into her.
Who do that?
Yes, let her understand.
She doesn't know.
Hello? What? She killed my own father? No. She killed my father. Please, do not spare her. Do not spare her. Make sure you don't spare her. Don't! She killed my father. She killed my own father. No.
This is not our fight. And what are we going to do about Uzumba?
The coronation must continue. It must go on. Instead, I suggest we look for a decent man without faults in history and make him our king. Uzumba has already soiled his hands.
Okafo, you have a point.
Better let him face the battle alone before he claims our lives.
My fellow Chair, you have all spoken well. We must do something. From this point, we are washing our hands of that matter. But I will still meet with Uzumba. Look, a lot has been happening. King Okaka is already dead. And I don't want to go into any fight with the gods. I don't want to do that.
Thank you very much, Ono. Ono, also the key is that you people will make me king. I want to be the first king of Ogidi. Yes. Igwe no Ogidi. Because I already got a mother now around this vicinity.
Uzumba, you have become too complicated recently.
Excuse me? I don't get it. How?
Uzumba, the truth of the matter is that we have lost confidence in you. And there is no way the council in chiefs is going to approve for you to become our king.
You're very, very stupid. No, who you be, not be God. With or without you, I will become the next king. Else you will disappear. Are you mad? You're talking nonsense. Do you want to play with my ambition?
Watch your language.
I will see, don't get me angry.
I am the one that crowned the kings of this kingdom.
We will change you. Yes.
Igbo know one man, the hand that makes king. So even as king, that person make you. If you stress me, we go change you or you disappear. I'm talking, you're talking. In fact, get out of this place or no, get out of this place.
Great Oganda! Great Oganda! Here is the sacrifice. Great Oganda! I have done the needful. Now it's your turn to do the needful. Fill me with power. I must retrieve my father's corpse today.
Kami fele ye modogu ifi kemebe. Kami fele ye modogu ifi kemebe. I must bury my father today. Takonebe. Takonebe. End is here. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha.
No walkers.
Cha cha cha.
No walkers. No walkers.
I tell you, make you no reach 7 days. And the papa you better say you my ex, but you the para for me. Boys, move the casket.
My love, Obi, Sanwa, Adimnobi, see, I swear, I will never ever leave you.
Are you sure?
I said I swear, I will never ever leave you.
I love you.
I love you more. Okay.
Zumba, we shouldn't end like this. Please.
The message is simple. No matter what, you are still a woman. You are not a man. Tell your father I defeated you last. Idiot comparison. Hurry up! Fucking hurry up!
Never lose God. Jesus, terrible. Okay, more piano. Never lose God. Jesus, terrible. Okay, more piano. Black lion. Never lose God. Jesus, terrible. Okay, more piano.
Easy to remember. Put to a note together. I dare down together. But I dare you to go.
Mvumba has brought back his father's corpse. As we speak, the corpse is lying in his house.
But that does not change the fact that we have no confidence in him. I mean, the enthronement.
Uzumba will never emerge as our king. At this point, we do not need to bother ourselves.
Okay. And what are we going to do?
We don't need to bother ourselves. The gods will handle that fight. I believe Uzumba forcefully entered that sacred place and collected the casket. And he is going to face a dangerous calamity.
Uzumba. So when is the funeral taking place? When?
Uncle.
Yes.
Now that everything is resolved, Uzumba asked me to inform you that he will be laying his father to rest tomorrow.
Good.
Yes.
That's good. Good one. But I don't think I'll be able to go. I will not be there myself. Yes. It's our tradition that the Prime Minister of the Kingdom and the entire royal family should not attend any funeral until the king is laid to rest. That's the law of our land. So I'm not supposed to be there. But for the elders, they are free to attend.
In that case, you need to send the word across the elders while I prepare for the funeral tomorrow.
My princess.
Yes, uncle.
How am I sure you even understand me? You did not hear me at all. You didn't hear me well. No, you did not. Because if you did, you wouldn't be saying what you are saying now. I said categorically clear that you and myself here were not permitted to attend any funeral ceremony until my brother, the king, your own father, is laid to rest. That is what our tradition demands in this land. Did you hear me well?
Okay, Telayo. I will attend that funeral. I must attend it. What are you talking about? This is my man we are talking about, Uzumba. I am going to be his queen very soon. And you're telling me not to stand by him? To console with him? To comfort him? Hell no.
Will you stop, woman? What's wrong with you?
Uncle, I have to stand
Make
by
sure him. What are you talking about? Look at this small girl. Eh? Oh, you want to do your own wish against the wish of the land? You want to bring calamity upon this royal family? You want to bring... Wait, let me not even hear you say this. Not to talk of you planning to go to anywhere. Try it!
Uncle, I'm not going to listen to you. You people have to wait till my elder brother comes back from Germany. Then you can crown him king. But for now, I need to be with my man. I need to console him. And that is on period. Excuse me.
Ha! What kind of child is this? Eh? Who is this type of girl that God has given to my brother? Eh? If we are talking our tradition, she's talking another thing. Hurry up now, you know. See, from here. Pass! Hurry up! Let me make a chameleon. I thought I killed you. But I killed you.
What you know, I know. You cannot kill who is greater than you.
Light on first. My love. Come on. You were once my baby. Enough of this madness. I'm sorry, okay? If to say we marry, this man wait there, you're supposed to be your father-in-law now. What the fuck? Okay, I beg, no verse. No verse, I'm sorry. I was just trying to test you to make sure you are strong enough to be my wife. I'm sorry, okay? You can sort this out amicably.
It is too late. It is tit for tat. My father died because of you. You are going in for it.
I was once your love, don't do this.
Ogugu! Ogugu! Ogugu!
I am ready to fight this war. I must take back what belonged to me. You betrayed me, I go give you war. I go give you me, I go give you all. You can never rest your back in the no going back. Anyhow you want this fight, I'm no going back. No going back at all. No going back. Marabana dia chogumba. Utobo ni chora. Mambagi saga. Ifuna ichogodi anamu. Mambagi ya poto poto. Ichogodi anife. Mambagi ya poto poto. If you want time for spirit. Mambagi ya poto poto. Mambagi saga. Mambagi ya